5 ways to make a budget and track your projects in an automated way. How to do it? Give me a like, subscribe, and push the notification button. Once you have finished each section of your budget, you have the option to create a subtotal to be used in future calculations, automized within Mtrix-sc.com. Select the cells you want to use for this in the Value column and press the Add Subtotal button. Mtrix-sc.com will generate the corresponding fields with the selected values. After that, you can continue generating new sections by either copying and pasting previous values or creating new ones to repeat the subtotal process as many times as necessary. We invite you to continue with our next video. Create a general subtotal. Follow me on our social networks.